Hey, welcome guys. Here we are recording a video for this channel. We are making a and here we have I think 9 protons, and here we here. So guys, here we are with the atom. We have here the protons and the neutrons that are going to so we are here today making the proton and the electron, and we have the neutron. We doesn't have the neutron. Here we have 2 neutrons. First, here we have the center of the atom. I don't know if I'm getting this correctly, but in theory this should be a sphere. 8. So guys, here we have the first circle with electrons, with the first electrons, 2 electrons. Are here we have the we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here we have the paper. We're gonna use this paper to put the information in the it's in. Here we have the center with 10 neutrons and 10 protons. Here we have it. Protons here, like the red one. Here we have an excellent model of the neon atom. This model, like, is getting really. I'm really excited. Here we have a problem. I was making the job and I bored myself. So guys, here we have the neon model. We have here the neutrons, the protons, the neutrons and the electrons. So in theory, we have here we are making the atom model. We have now this thing that is like a passport. Here we're going to put the information. So this was all the project for today. Thanks for making me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video.